Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to use Zeely'S AI tools to make art creation faster. So Zeely'S AI tools speed up art creation by handling the most time consuming part for you. As soon as you enter basic details about your business and goal, the AI generates the ready to use copy, selected relevant visual, suggest layout, and even tailored the messaging for your target audience. It pulls from proven design pattern and industry-specific data to create art that are both engaging and platform ready, whether for Facebook, Instagram, or Google. Instead of spending hours writing text, design creative, or guessing what works, you are pre-built art. You get a pre-built art draft with a smart headlines, product description, and a call to action in all minutes. Daily also auto-optimize for mobile and test different versions to find what's performing best. Zeely'S AI turns what's used to make hours into a fast guided process by auto-generating professional art tailored to your brand, audience, and goal. No design or art experience needed.